handling mpola. Wabachi nyabo.
What's the matter, lady?
Zumba. Sumba nageze mutwalire Mulago ne bangamba omwana wange afiiridde Mulubuto takyazannya.
Mulago bagigulawo.
When she went to the hospital, they said the fetus is dead.
Eyekawempe. Wagenze mu yekawempe wagenze.
Which
Yekawempe.
Kati yafuka Mulago.
She went to Mulago.
Bagambye ki?
What did they say?
Omwana wange yafiiridde Mulubuto nesinakkiriza naye olugumi bunnuma. Nende nagambye kamale genda wa pasa nsobole okukakasa.
Kati tebagambye kulongoosa.
Didn't I tell you you're to be operated?
Okunongoosa.
They want to operate her.
Bamubikeko kalesi tulabe.
Cover her with a wrapper so we can take a look at that stomach.
Okay, jawe mikono jo.
Remove your hand.
Nteke empeta ku lubuto olwo.
I put a ring on this stomach, on this pregnancy.
Ekyafudde.
Whatever is inside that has I put it back to life. I bring it back to life in Jesus' name.
Come back. Omwana komawo.
Baby, come back to life.
Komawo.
Come back to life.
Tebagenda mulongoosa.
She's not going to have a Syrian section.
Njagala komewo.
I want the baby to normalize.
Abeere mulamu.
I want that baby to be healthy and life and thinking in Jesus' name.
Be healed. In the name of Jesus Christ. Buli mutienda tunuli olubuto lw'omukyala.
Everyone take a good look at the stomach of his.
Wuyo. Wuyo atandika okusamba. Microphone. Wanchi?
He's kicking. The baby's back to life. The baby is back to life.
Azanya. Hey.
Check. Check hard. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Hey.
Don't
talk with God of Kawala. Don't talk with God of Kawala. Whoever has a pregnancy that had disappeared in the stomach, tonight your baby is going to play in the stomach. Yes.
Love and son.
Yes, thank you.
Thank
Thank you so very much, Pastor.
Nani.
Mufuneki.
Ki.
Hey, Katonda wapewa mani. Ona dance. Kulunesi. Bimu funamira. Katonda wapewa. Katonda wapewa mani. Katonda wapewa mani. Akomya waluruto wa mani. Katonda wapewa mani. Wamani. Kulunesi. Bimu funamira. Katonda wapewa mani. Katonda wakawala wa mani. Katonda wapewa mani.
You got the Lord that set you free. Get up in the morning, go to hospital and get diagnosed. They are going to give you positive results about your pregnancy.